let's remind ourselves where we got to at the end of the last tutorial. So I'm going to hit Control and Enter just to play the movie that we've created. So we have got a circle that's red changing into a blue square, and through that shape tween it's changing shape and colour. What we're going to do now though is we're going to actually put some movement into this. So I'm going to make sure I've got my selection tool up at the top left. I'm going to click on frame 30. I'm going to double click on my square to make sure I've got the whole thing selected, and I'm going to move that up the screen. You'll notice that the tween has stayed intact. It doesn't have the dots, it actually has the proper arrow, so it shows that the tween's fine. I'm going to click above frame 1 and I'm going to drag over, scrub over, and this time you'll notice that not only is it changing shape and changing colour, but it's also changing position. And this is one of the simplest ways of getting movement into animation. And using Adobe Animate, you simply use a shape tween. So if I hit Control and Enter, there we go. You have got the circle morphing into the square, changing colour and also changing location. It's your turn to have a go.